Hello everyone and welcome back to another Vee Shell Preview update. Today's preview update brings Vee Shell version up to 0.85 alpha. Today's preview update brings a lot of new features and polish. The changes include containerized apps, new wallpapers, improved splash screens, automatic accent colors, home screen clock, toggleable apps menu, improved icons, and new keyboard sounds. We'll go over each one by one. First, containerized apps. This means that Vee Shell apps are now containerized and are now opened within Vee Shell itself. In the past, Vee Shell used to open the apps in a separate window. It used to link to the apps. But now the apps are opened within Vee Shell itself using iframes, which makes communication between Vee Shell and the apps much easier. This also means that your application no longer has to include VBoard inside it. Now VBoard is included inside of Vee Shell itself, and VBoard will communicate to your application using a specific API. Now all you need to do is give your input field an ID and a class of edit text. The ID could be anything you want, and also give it an onClick attribute that says parent.getFocusThis.id. And this is going to tell VBoard that this input field is the one which wants the attention. We also have some new wallpapers. There's a wooden planks one, and there's another one with a sea. The one with the sea is actually graphically generated and not real. And a third one, which is an Aurora one by Johnny Gerand. I hope I did not pronounce that wrong. This update also brings automatic accent colors. Now Vee Shell will pick an accent color based on the dominant color of your current wallpaper. Vee Shell uses the Color Thief library to do this, and now exposes an API for doing this. You can get the dominant color by calling the function parent.getAccentColor, and it's going to return an array with the R, G, and B values of the accent color. And based on this new feature, VBoard and the navigation bar will pick the color from the wallpaper, and they will use it for their theming, which looks really good, at least in my opinion. This update also includes improved splash screens. Splash screens now contain a centered icon of your application, and the color of the splash screen is the dominant color that is picked from your current wallpaper. We also have a new home screen clock and a toggleable apps menu. The apps menu used to be untoggleable, now it is toggleable, and we have a home screen clock. The update also improves the home screen icons and brings new keyboard sounds. So this was today's preview update. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and see you later.